The lake of Guatavita bears many tales. The legend of El Dorado that originated here was only a part of what happened at this place. This is the tale of the Princess of Guatavita.
Mi nombre es Angie Tatiana Carreño, tengo 10 años y estoy en quinto de primaria y soy guía turística de aquí de Guatavita.
They tell that the Muisca, Indian tribes in the area of today's Colombia, gathered often and showed their splendid fashion. On a young day at dawn, at the hour of the rising sun, they threw pots made of clay and also pieces made of gold into the lake that was later called Guatavita. Suddenly, the landlord appeared. He was as admired by the people as they would turn their sight off him to not enrage him. Later, he fell in love with a princess of a neighboring tribe. They got married and gave life to a child. Their daughter, called Aritama Saratama, became famous for her inexpressible beauty. Aritama Saratama had love for many men, and despite her infidelity, she got married. Countless nights she were together with a warrior of high descent. Once caught, he got killed, and by the means of her sentence they gave her his heart and his testicles to eat without notice. When she realized what she were eating, she flew with her little daughter into exile to Guatavita. She reached the lake at midnight and took her daughter by her hand and dove into the water. Since that night, Aritama Saratama always appears at the shores of Guatavita Lake on the full moon to help their people master their problems. Ordenó a su gente para rescatarla. Desde entonces